Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. It's something that several of us struggle with, or we live with someone who does struggle with it. Today we are discussing snoring with Dr. Gina Johnson-Higgins. Welcome back to the show.
Great to see you.
Good to see you too. Okay, is snoring normal? Is this something that's normal in almost everybody's life at this point?
Many people snore, but snoring is your body's reaction to not breathing.
Well,
so
that's not good.
When you go to sleep and you go on autopilot, you
Yeah.
breathe without having to think about it.
Okay.
If something obstructs your airway, then you snore yourself awake, and it's a good thing. If this is happening continuously every night, then it becomes a problem. Obstructive sleep apnea is a very serious medical condition that needs to be treated by a specialist.
What exactly causes this to happen?
Well, there are a couple of different things. You could have a small airway.
Okay.
You could have large tonsils. You could have a big uvula. You could have allergies, congestion, alcohol. Lots of things like that will cause you to not breathe well. In someone who finds this to be happening many times each night, they have obstructive sleep apnea, and they stop breathing, and the body wakes them up to start the cycle over again. If this happens long enough, the blood pressure goes up each time you wake. You can develop long-term high blood pressure with all of the complications that go along with it.
I did not know that. That's scary. I mean, it's dangerous almost, isn't it?
It is very dangerous, and it does need to be treated, and most often it is treated with a CPAP machine, which forces air through the airway. Now, as a dentist, I do not diagnose obstructive sleep apnea, nor do I get you a CPAP. But we do have appliances that you can use for travel, or appliances that stop you from snoring, because that's an important thing. If you don't have apnea, fully sleep obstructing apnea, but you snore and it doesn't need to be treated by the specialist, one of these appliances can make everyone very happy.
So let's talk about the appliance and how exactly does it work?
Well, what it does, it's a mandibular anteriorization device.
Okay.
Really. So what that means is it pulls your lower jaw forward and tightens the tissues so that your airway is more opened. There's a top and a bottom that are hooked together, and it puts the jaw slightly forward.
Okay.
In my opinion, these should be fitted and watched by a dental professional.
Okay.
Because used long term, they can cause shifting of the teeth.
Oh,
so there are upsides and downsides to everything that we do. But when you smile, the whole world smiles with you. But when you snore, you sleep alone. So you
very true.
You want. I have had men and women come in desperate to have their husband, wife, partner rejoin them in the bedroom, and their snoring was a complete deterrent.
Well, and it's so important to get a good night's sleep. So the person that is snoring is obviously not getting a good night's sleep. And for health reasons, as you mentioned before, I mean, there's multiple, it affects everything in your life if you're not getting a good night's sleep. And then also the partner who's also hearing the snoring isn't
getting a good night's sleep.
Exactly.
So, there's a lot of unhappiness that goes along with snoring, personal unhappiness, family unhappiness.
Right.
And these appliances can really be great for travel. Let's say you do have a CPAP, you've been diagnosed, you're being treated, but you're going on a week-long hiking trip. Are you really going to take your CPAP machine when you could take a mandibular anteriorization device?
Exactly, and this is what you specialize in too.
This is one of the things that we do on a very regular basis.
Well, Dr. Gina, thank you so much for this information, and if you need more information or if you need help in this department, be sure to get a hold of Dr. Gina. We have all of her information up on the screen. Just ahead, we're looking at what's popping in entertainment. Don't go away. You're watching Midday Kentucky. Keep it right here.